Meta is a VR-based product company. NVDA is in shock. Funny. Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Hello, hello. Does anybody? Wow, look at BOF. Oh wow, that damn thing keeps bouncing off 180. My goodness. Sheesh. Impressive. Anyways, day drinking, day drinking again. Yep. This is the week for it, virus. This is the week. Good afternoon, Troy. This is the week. This is the week. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. Chicken soup. This thing is all over the place. Like 29 cents, 30 cents, another bounce of that range, Justin. Very nice. 29 cents all the way back to 42 is pretty impressive. So, for those of you that were looking for an entry, it gave you another chance. Another chance. And then LICN looks interesting. Looks interesting. BOF needs to get back above $2. AIRE looks good above $1. That's some nice consolidation. And then obviously Meta. What time is it in the UK, Tesh? What's up, Kimbella? What's up? Okay. Perfect. It's 8 p.m. Daniel in the UK. 8:03. Okay. 8:03 in London. Yeah, it's drinking time for you, so it's almost bedtime. You guys have like the best schedule for the market. Yeah, because by the time the market opens, like half of your day is almost done, Daniel. Maybe you can come back from work and then go play with the market. Oh, what's happening with BTC? Let's see. BTC. Yeah, the last time I looked at BTC, that thing was getting slapped to 65. Had no idea it had sold up to 64 though. Wow, 60, yeah, below 64. Wow. Yeah, same stupid range. Virus. Damn virus. I would have choked on my tea if I had something in my mouth. Oh my goodness. Damn, that's funny. You know that's Tesh. Oh my days. Anyways, yeah, Bitcoin is selling off. To buy the dip since the halving. Okay. Let me see what the 4 hour looks like here. It's the same rubbish. Same. Obviously, there's still room to the downside, but let's see. Okay, there's what? How much time do we have on that candle? Okay, 54 minutes. If we stay above 50, if we stay above 63.7 in the next 63.700 in the next 54 minutes, we might actually get a bounce. We might actually get a bounce. In it, bruv. For some reason, it told me exactly what time Tesla was reporting earnings last night. But for some reason, it doesn't tell me exactly when Meta reports earnings. Let me know if you see it. Is it 405, or is it 430? Let me know if you see it. I'll take a look again in a bit. Uh, la, la, la. You mean so 5 minutes after the close? Thank you. Yeah, most of these bigger companies report exactly 5 minutes after the close, which is usually good. Get it out of the way. Plus, I have an appointment at 4:15, so we only have a few minutes. A few minutes. Yeah, Meta's bouncing here nicely. Nice little double bottom support. So yeah, if you look at Meta I'm hoping Meta beats earnings because it's good for everybody. They beat four of the last four earnings. Even though the stock has had mixed reactions, they've beat the last four times. Yup. Right. So yeah. So early March of 2023 they missed, and then they beat the rest of the year. So the stock did really well, really well. Even though it looks like we're still sitting all the way up there in the on the moon, we still have a bit of support here, just above the 200 the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. So if we can stay above that range, that would be good. Yes or no if you think Meta beats earnings. Yes or no? I think they beat earnings. I hope they rally after earnings. Hope. I just don't see Meta missing earnings, but you never know. Yes, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't see them. I don't see them missing earnings. Yeah, right. So and then the other thing I like is that we've actually sold off into earnings to a demand zone. So hopefully we can bounce off that demand zone, right? Hopefully we can bounce up the demand zone. Anyways, moving on. And I'm going to go back to the 1 minute time frame. It's bouncing. Again, I'm not overly surprised that it's bouncing into the close. You almost expect stuff like this to happen, right? People start to FOMO if they think it's going to beat. When was the last miss? March. I think I answered your question. Yeah, March. March 2023 was the last miss. Selling those Bitcoin miners was perfect today, actually. Perfect. Perfect. Uh, you don't need to have much. Nope. Yeah. Nope. Would now be a good time to FOMO into what, Daniel? What are you FOMOing into? What are we FOMOing into? Tesla's done a good job staying above 160 today. Hopefully Meta doesn't screw that up. Look at LICN there with a bit of a run. Sheesh. Sheesh. Honestly, as much as we expect Meta to go up, earnings will forever be a gamble. Like anytime you get into anything before earnings, you're gambling more than usual. So yes, we expect them to beat. We hope they go up, um, but it's a gamble. Gamble, gamble, gamble. So everybody expected Tesla to go down yesterday, right? So like we said yesterday, the only thing that would save Tesla was the fact that we sold off for multiple days into earnings, and the fact that maybe the bad news is priced in, and if they can announce anything positive, then up, 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 right? So yeah. So anybody that was short Tesla yesterday got destroyed. I think it was like 1.2 billion dollars for shorts lost, something like that. For days, yeah, exactly, Justin. We sold up for 4 months. uh, Yep. That's why you love earnings virus? Yep. Complete gamble. Close your eyes and pray. Yeah. Yeah, I think what they've done today though is destroyed all those Apple, not Apple, Meta calls, the option chain. They're destroying both sides. Puts, calls, destroy all of them. Those things are still pretty damn expensive though. When you start pricing in these premiums going into earnings, the absolute worst time to buy options is right before earnings. The absolute worst. Even if you're right, you still require miracles. Unless the company really destroys earnings, you might still get screwed. No, 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 no. Market makers always win. Always. Always, Justin. Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. La, 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 la. So yeah, we're just kind of waiting for these guys to report earnings. Yeah. So you're holding calls too, Virgo? La, 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 la. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep, yep. You know what they need to announce this time? I think last time Meta announced they announced a share buyback, a dividend. That was about it, right? Yeah. I wonder what they're gonna announce this time. They should have done half and half, a buyback and then a dividend this time. What are they gonna do? What could we possibly do this time? They're gonna need to announce some VR glasses, some VR, AMST with a nice push. Uh, yep. With a tight stop loss, yeah, 99 cents, 99.9999. Because if that thing goes below a dollar, meh, get rid. Yeah, yeah. Have you seen those calls? The premiums on these things. Which ones did you buy, Virus? Which calls did you buy? 510, 520, Friday, extreme yellow, 700s, Friday, knowing virus. Oh my goodness. Uh, None of this. I'm not surprised. 500s in 24 hours. Seven. Okay. Yeah, when you look at the daily, 510 is a good target. 510, 520, really good targets. And everything else is even bigger of a gamble. So yeah, 600. We shall see if Meta explodes tonight. The entire market is gonna rocket tomorrow. And then we have Microsoft. Microsoft reports tomorrow too, and Google. So Microsoft is gonna be really important. Yeah, those 510s were expensive. Yeah, if you look at the 4 hour E, there's a nice uptrend there for the for Bitcoin, 63,777 ish, 175 to Google. Okay, nice. Sounds good. La, 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 la. La, la, Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe, and all the other fun things. Uh, Meta. Na, 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 na. 97. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, at that point, you're just looking for a dollar. Ooh, that's a nice run. Yeah, so I think we came off the bottom, and then we failed at just above the 200 at 493.60 again. Not that it really matters because um, yeah, we can look at all these levels, but we're honestly just waiting for earnings. So Meta can do whatever it wants for now. For now, I don't know how I feel about Meta running into earnings, but it's still red for the day. Hopefully that's a good thing. Hopefully that's a good thing. MSTR has done well today. Actually, I say that, and I'm forgetting that Bitcoin had a nice drop, a really nice drop. Interesting. Okay. Back to Meta. Meta. Let me look at Microsoft. Yeah, actually, a lot of weakness in the market today. A lot of weakness. What's Google doing? Uh, hmm, Similar. Very similar. Sheesh, Tesla's recovering. Recovering Tesla. That's a solid close for Tesla. Now they're gonna crash Meta. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna say this until you guys believe me. I'm gonna say it until you believe me. That Tesla is looking good. Now stuff is gonna crash. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Doo. Yeah, no, Tesh Meta looks good into the close. I hope. Uh, there you go. Meta. Mm. Chicken soup for the soul. Impressive. Yeah, no, BOF, even though this thing still looks interesting, I think we might just be done. But we'll see. Okay, back to Meta. Meta is just sitting on the double top. Double top in a supply zone. So dip now and then rocket later, please. Dip now, rocket later. MTC is pushing for the highs of the day. Do I have to do meta charts? I do. MTC. MTC. $3.20. Might sell if Meta tanks and we enter lower. Yeah, probably the best thing to do, Tesh. If Meta is tanking, these things are gonna sell off, including Bitcoin. including Bitcoin. Oh, they had news this morning. Okay. Launches powered zero commission smart buyers agent. Cool. Interesting. Come on, 4 p.m. Come on, let's go. Bring on the earnings. Did you sell that thing, Justin? We're just keeping it for now. Yeah, that candle closing below the 9 EMA is a bit suspicious. A little bit sus. Uh, oh, you got in at 92? Okay. Look at chicken soup go again. Chicken soup for the soul. 45 minutes. Yeah, this time it's all going to be up to Meta's. Oh wow, look at Meta. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Sheesh, Meta. Meta says, "Hey, look at me. I'm the captain now." Yeah, we had a one-on-one, and Sky got some Meta calls, but that was also at like 180 something. So it should be nice and green now. Should be nice and green now, Sky. Filled. Okay. Yeah, look at that pop. So yeah, that's a pretty good gamble, right? If you're gonna take a gamble, this is not a bad spot to take it. Targets. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, not a bad spot. Especially since it's been consolidating for the last 30 minutes above $1. Not a bad entry at all. The only issue you're having now is that it's unable to stay above $1.10. But if it does, maybe a nice run. Yeah, all you have to do is put a stop loss at 99 cents or break even something, and then you should be good to go. A tight stop loss. Iris, how green are your meta calls now? Are you going to take some profits or you're just going to keep them? To take profits or not to take profits? See, I don't know how I feel about meta pumping into earnings. I know it's still red for the day, but it's still yeah, this time it's all gonna depend on like the numbers they actually give us, right? Last time they had the luxury of announcing a share buyback and a dividend and all these shiny things. I don't know if they can do that this time, right? So obviously they can't, but I don't know if they can announce something else. Right? Meta's pushing it though. That's the expectation, right? Everybody expects them to beat. So now they're pumping it into the close, which this is exactly what we expected today, right? Because nobody expects Meta to miss earnings. But then again, nobody expected Tesla to miss to beat to go up after earnings. Maybe I should use the right terms. Yes, they can beat earnings, but they can still go down, right? So everybody expected Tesla to miss and to go down, but they missed and went up, right? So this is why we always say like there's more to earnings than just missing and beating. There's more. There's always more. Always more. Always more. Meta pumping. Yeah, KD. Yeah, HWH. Yeah, I saw that one come through on the scanner. On the scanner. Doo-doo. If you're holding Meta into the close after hours gambles, type in yes. Type in yes if you're holding a gamble, an earnings gamble. La, 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 la. La, la, la. Okay, quite a few of you guys. Quite a few. And I bet you guys are all holding long positions or calls. So the question is, do you take some profits off the table into the close, or do you just keep it till tomorrow? Pump it, pump it, pump it. No dipski stash. Behave. Behave, please. We don't want to see no dips today. Yeah, the S&P also bounced really nicely. Again, Meta and NVDA run the S&P these days. I think if you go back a few months, like we would be looking at Apple to see what the S&P was doing. Every time the S&P was crashing, we would go look at Apple or Microsoft, right? It's different now. There's new kids on the block. NVIDIA and Meta running the streets. Running the streets. A stock beats earnings. Yeah, but that's because there's more to this though, right, Kimbella? The market always knows what a company is going to do, right? That's based on previous earnings, analyst reports, market sentiment. There's so much, right? Like the market knew exactly what Tesla was going to do, right? And exactly what the market thought was going to happen is exactly what happened. So the market was pricing in what it thought Tesla was going to do. And so, what the market cannot price in, though, is what Tesla is going to say after earnings, right? Like, what's Elon going to say? Oh, and then if Elon says, "Oh, we're working on AI, we're working on a cheaper vehicle, we're working on this and this and this and this," then the market says, "Oh, okay, all we did was price in bad earnings, but now you're telling us things we don't know, so then let's pump it, right?" So it's less about like the beating and the missing. It's actually what the company is saying, right? So if you miss earnings and you tell the market that, you know what, I'm going to do better, the market will say, okay, fine, I'll give you a pass. But if you beat earnings and you're like, I'm not gonna do so well next time, the market will destroy you. Yeah, exactly, Kimbella. Like it's always like that, always like that, right? Always. You know how they say like the market is always forward looking, right? The S&P was pumping for the last few weeks because the Fed said they would cut rates, right? And then so the market is pricing in all these rate cuts, price pump pump pump. As soon as the Fed says maybe we're not going to cut rates, the market says, what, are you kidding me? I've been doing all this work for nothing, let's crash, right? And then the market sells off. So the market is always like two steps ahead. um, yeah. I don't know if it has the to give you an out. Okay, let me look. CISS. Hmm. Yeah, that's tough because it really doesn't have very much volume, does it? Like it's really not doing much. I like that it's giving you higher lows and it's above the 200 and it's kind of trending up. And if you look at the daily, like the daily is actually quite nice. There's room to the upside, but the damn thing looks fishy though, doesn't it? Am I using the right candles? Yeah. It just looks fishy, doesn't it? That's tough. I'm leaning towards saying keep it, but I don't trust that name with Zach Morris and all those guys. I don't trust it. If it's not a big loss, honestly, Justin, maybe just take it. BOF almost back to $2. Back to Meta. Meta is pushing it. Oof. These guys are pumping it. We're about to go from red to green. before earnings comes out. Red to green Meta. Sheesh. Sheesh, Meta. Yeah, have you bought some calls? You're smiling, 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 smiling. Look at Chicken Soup, guys. My goodness, this stock is a monster. This thing is a monster. Damn. My goodness. So again, 30 cents has been a good level to look for an entry. Is that the high? No, the high of the day was what, 45 cents. Yup. Pretty dang close. New highs of the day for Google. Yeah, Google has actually held up better than all the other stocks today. Better than all the other stocks today. Pump it. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Okay, let me see. Let's see. Doo-doo-doo-doo. 7. Okay. Doo-doo-doo. Expectations, Jeffrey? Beats, 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 beats. Right. So you can always tell. You can always tell what the market is expecting a stock to do into earnings by the way that it's performing in the last that last hour. Right. Clearly, Meta was weak today. All day today, Meta was weak, and now at the very end, it's like, come on, pump it, right? Pump it, pump it, pump it. So, um, yep. Like you mean the numbers? Oh, okay, I see. Yep. We shall see. We shall see. Yeah, chicken soup looks really good. 190%. Oof. Oof. There it goes. Testing the highs of the day. Anybody still holding this? Anybody? 97. Okay. Nice. Yeah, it looks like AIRE is also pushing up that $1 level. Maybe this candle can finally close above $1.10. You're still holding Kimbella? Okay, nice. Yeah, chicken soup just made new highs of the day. 202%. Oof, my goodness. There it goes. 47 cents. There it goes. It waited till the end of the day to give us new highs. There it goes. Win 50 cents. Win 50 cents. 206%. My goodness. And here we go. New highs of the day. And these candles are waking up and then coming right back down. There's a nice little block at 47 cents. If that can break, push it. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And new highs. It's a nice run. It's going to run out soon. There you go. Yep. Pay yourself into the end of the day. Don't end up holding a bag because you want it to go to $1, please. Because you want it to go to $1, please and thank you. La, la. Meta's giving away some of those gains. Again, it really doesn't matter, does it? Just waiting for those numbers to come out. The numbers. The numbers. Do, 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 do. Chicken soup. Done. Well done, Kimbella. It does look good though, doesn't it? Like it's still trending up and it's still giving us higher lows. And it looks like it wants to push for 50 cents. But congratulations on the gains. And look at that, 49 cents. Boom skis. Boom skis. 50 cents being the next resistance. Right. Boom skis. 49, 220%. Oof. That thing doesn't look like it's done, does it? Doesn't look like it's done yet. But since we broke above 40 cents, this is the most dangerous spot it's going to be in, just below 50 cents. Anyways, yeah, Meta is going for a bit of a rebound. What did you decide to do with CISS, Justin? What did you decide to do? Chicken soup for the soul. There we go. Tesla's about to break 163 on the push. Oh, Tesla. Okay. Again, that's a pretty successful day for Tesla. Ryan, pretty successful day. Pretty successful day. 138. No. Okay. And Meta is recovering. Meta. Yeah, they need to announce. Something. I think the glasses are pretty damn cool. I would like them to like I would like to be able to put on glasses, and do stuff with it. You know what I mean? Like more AI functionality is all I'm trying to say. You know, and with a little audio thing where you can say, you can ask questions, and then have the the speakers in your ear or something. La, la, la. Like I'm going to this location. Give me the GPS. And the cheaper, yeah. Justin, yeah. The only difference now though is that it's gone to the abyss, and then it's coming back, right? You want to do that when you get into that position and it doesn't look good, right? Because I kind of like the daily chart for CISS, but again, you're most likely right. Come back tomorrow and see what it looks like. $0.49. Yep, chicken soup is again This level shouldn't be a surprise to anybody, right? Failing at 50 cents is usually a common theme now. So a common theme, 50 cents. Time to answer tomorrow. Okay, sounds good, Justin. Have a wonderful evening. Be safe. See you tomorrow morning. See you tomorrow. 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 Okay, so the markets close in 18 minutes, and then we have Tesla, not Tesla, Meta earnings 5 minutes after the close. 5 minutes after the close. Squidos. Mm-hmm. Tesla had a lot more hype going into earnings, did it not? Just well, maybe not hype. Hype isn't the right word, but just yup, yup. Uh, Yusuf, what's your position in CISS? And that chicken soup went from 50 cents all the way down on that candle to 43 cents. So 50 cents is a pretty safe spot to be thinking about locking in profits at the end of the day, especially. Um, TROO. Cool. Cool. Meta platforms. Okay, let's go back to Meta here. And okay. Oh, the symbol? Okay. Mm, we'll see. A fluff with the pom poms. Give me a T. Give me an H. And the virus is already on the floor naked. Anyways, moving on. Bring on the earnings. Yeah, I think today the high for which is interesting actually. The high for Meta today was 510. That would be an amazing target if we could get there. 510 Meta. Get to 510. Uh 510. 510. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like. Sweet. 495. Dang, that thing is about to go green, isn't it? Oh my goodness. These guys might actually fully turn it around before earnings. Uh Air is going for $1.20. Hopefully Justin is still holding that position. Solid bounce. Beautiful demand zone. Look at how green that thing is. It's not very often you get a green zone like this, right? Like a green zone within a green zone within a green zone, right? Usually when you see stuff like this, it's a really good sign. A really, really good sign. So it just has a whole bunch of supply though at $1.20 ish for air. Oh, dang. Meta's only down 70 cents now. Sheesh. I bet you some people are going to lock in profits before the market closes. Yeah. Some profits will be locked in. Drag the markets up, Meta. Drag it up. How come Tesla is still at 162? Come on, Tesla. Do better. Damn, 40 cents. 37 cents. Sheesh. Impressive. Very impressive. No, 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 Azul. For some reason, that one hasn't shown up for me on TradingView, so I've just completely ignored it. BOF still has that weird vibe, doesn't it? Like it could still run. But at this point, you might as well wait for that thing to get back above $2 and actually consolidate. It does look good though. Damn, Meta. Keep sending it. Keep sending it. It deserves to be ignored. Yeah. Yup. Bring on the earnings. 12 minutes, guys. And then market closes. Wait. 209? Wasn't that thing at $11 or something like that yesterday, Azul? Yep, you want to be very careful with IPOs, anyways. There's always that price discovery range for IPOs. So if you diamond hand one of these things, ooh, nasty. We came back, Joe, for Meta. I mean, Meta's been sending it. It's been dragging ES and the ES and everything else up with it. All about the Meta. Justin, I was just asking about you. Yep, there's. Hopefully you held that position. Hopefully you held that position and you can lock in your profits and leave, and leave, because that thing is pumping it. Lock in your gains and leave, and pick up the kits. $11 to $2, Azul. That's nasty. Nasty. Okay, back to Meta. Meta's about to go green, guys. Meta's down 11 cents. Low of the day for Meta 480, 484, 50, 58. And Meta just tapped green and then came back down. Wow. That thing took the entire market with it. Entire market into earnings. Time to short ES, Joe. Maybe not. Perhaps not. Well, maybe. Maybe. It's quite the candle. Quite Z candle. I honestly wouldn't mind the market pumping back to 520. Ooh. Look at that drop, Joe. That would have been monies on ES. Monies. 35 contracts. And locked in. 35 and locked in. And dips. Again, honestly, none of this matters for now. As much as we like to see Meta pump, none of this matters until we see those numbers. You know? Exactly, Joe. 35 contracts. Straight to vacation. Paper trading, here's my take. Oof, look at meta drop. My goodness. Damn. But paper trading servers. First. Text here. $437. And all the momentum. Can you imagine that, Joe? Oof. Oof. Rich. Okay, 7 minutes, and then the market closed. You like it, William? Very nice. See if I have any. If I need to do anything else here. Open positions. First rally. How to this weekend. Also teaching them how to lock up their shares to fight shorting. Illegal shorting. Mark Jones. I highly doubt that. I highly doubt that Trump is going to have a campaign speech and then he's going to be talking about shorts in DJ team. Highly doubt it. Yes, he has a lot of money in the stock, but he has a lot more money out of the stock. Coachella. Nah. Coachella. Come on, close the markets. We are ready. Nah. I should have said looking for feedback for mentality is in the no. I use this USD. I would trade yeah. It's a 400 virus. You want to fight? No. Look at BOF. Oh my goodness, damn. Telling you, this stock doesn't seem like it's done yet, does it? Just doesn't seem like it's done. But it's also really scammy in the way that it's moving. Also really scammy. Virus is out here calling for Meta to crash to 400 while he's holding calls. Unbelievable. Meta to 600. That's better. Honestly, just take it to 520. That's good enough. We don't need anything else, Virus. Take it back to 510. That's it. Shorts out to cover. Uh, short up to cover. Yeah. See, I don't know if that's a bot statement or like if Mark actually believes that. Yeah. I don't know if he actually believed that, but na, 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 na. No, virus. I just mean for like the overall market. No. No, I don't have meta calls. You guys do. I don't have meta calls. I just mean for the whole market. It would be good for meta to pump it. You know? Yeah. 37%. Yup. Meta has had a really good close into earnings. Hopefully, it maintains that momentum. Are you going to take some off the table, virus, or you're going to keep all of them? To keep or to sell? 495. 3 minutes left. INM with a pattern. Uh, la, 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 la. 8:30 a.m. GDP. LICN highs of the day. It's zero or hero kind of trade. Yeah. Well, I hope it works out. I hope it works out. Do, 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 do. I hope it works out. We have 2 minutes. Make your final decisions. Yeah, that's good, virus. Well done. Well done, skis. Googles. There's really nothing else to say. For now, we wait. We wait. Bring on the earnings and bring on the thrust. We want to thrust. La 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 la. As soon as the market closes, you're gonna see some crazy candles on Meta. Don't panic. Not initially. Well, unless we're sitting at 400, then panic for next week. Yeah, I'm sure you can do that tomorrow maybe, or yeah, they report next week. Yeah, next Tuesday with AMD and Amazon. Yeah, not a bad bet actually. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Well, test Meta is at 496 again. That doesn't matter. That does not matter because the earnings are not actually out yet. So this is just a typical volatility. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We have 4 minutes left. Yep. 496. 496.50. Sheesh. Raise the dividend. They're gonna need something. 497. Again, all of this is pretty useless if it's going up like that, and the numbers are not actually out yet. 506.69. No, 526.69. Pablo. 464, 460, 469.69. 469.69. Maybe. Come on. 3 minutes. Are you ready to rumble? You stole from the people? Yep, something. Something. You're waiting for Ford? Okay. Yeah, I know we're just focused on Meta, but there are other companies reporting earnings: IBM, Ford, Boeing, Chipotle, AT&T, Humana, Service One, or Service Now, whatever they call it. Um, there's a whole bunch of names. I just want to see Meta though. Yep. Uh, a few names running after hours. What's up? It's about to squeeze. 20 cents. That's Ford. Ford runs like a snail. Ooh. Oh, we're getting close. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Anyways. Squeeze. See, the good thing with stocks like with like Meta though is even if the earnings are neutral, they tend to pump it because people like the stock anyways. You know. So anyways, 1 minute, guys. 45 seconds. You ready for big candles? Big candles. Fat red candle and then fat green candle, or just fat green candle and just don't look back. Fat green candle, don't look back. 20 seconds. That's if they're actually gonna drop it when they're supposed to. They should. 10 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Where? Oof, oof, oof. 469 was right. Oof, 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 oof. Sheesh. Oh my goodness, it's not stopping. It's not stopping. Somebody called the fire department. Oh my days. Somebody called the fire department. Oh my goodness. 449. It never fails, does it? It never fails. These stocks will always go against you. When everybody thinks Tesla's gonna crash, it goes up. When everybody thinks Meta's gonna beat, it crashes. Would have been nice. Yep. Sheesh. Oh my goodness, these guys sacrifice a goat. What the hell is going on? Oh my days. Damn. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Damn. Sheesh. Anyways, and Meta is dying. Bring back Facebook. Oh my goodness. Anyways, let me look at these numbers. Ay, scroll, scroll, scroll. So Tesla revenue came in at 26.46 billion. Wait, what? So Tesla reported 26.46 billion. The estimate was 36 billion. These guys just have too much hope. They're like, oh yeah, you can report 36 billion. Hmm. Where did the rest of the money go though? For 2069. Where did the rest of the money go? Yeah, to the bunker. That's where it went. They're missing 10 billion. They're missing 10 billion. Where did the money go? Yeah, the Meta's reported earnings. Where did we never should have left MySpace. I just want to know where the rest of the money's gone. Where's the bottom of the candle? My goodness. That candle went all the way down to 430, 436.60. Ah, yep. Well, we're bouncing a little bit. Imagine Meta recovers and goes all the way back up. Sheesh. Tomorrow's going to suck. Yep. Anyways, thanks, Meta. Minus 10%. Google, look at Google, got smacked. Yeah, what's the S&P doing? What's yep, Spy's getting slapped. Sheesh. Slapped. Na na na. Yep. Anyways, so na 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 na. Uh no, that's not what I'm looking for. There's another article here that isn't showing up. Oh well. La, na, 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 na. Okay. Actually, the one thing that I'm looking at, it's not actually right. Uh, the proper one is saying so they reported 36.46 billion. So they beat EPS and then grew in terms of like daily active users, 3.24 billion. And so Meta beat on all fronts, it seems. All of it they beat. So they beat revenue, they beat EPS, the company grew in terms of like users. The market doesn't care though. The market does not care. So Meta needs to say some nice things. Yep, probably. Back to 470, maybe. Thanks, Meta. Bad news, Pablo. What's the bad news? What's the bad news? Anyways, we have like 2 more minutes, guys, and then I have to hop off. Rubbish. Just wait till the other Diaz scores, Pablo. Good earnings. Stock down 10%. Yup. Yup. So yeah, Meta did not have bad earnings. The market just said, "Go sit in the corner for a second." Nothing exciting. Just good numbers. Isn't that funny? Yep. So yeah, the S&P looks like it's going to gap down tomorrow. We shall see what happens. Tesla should also be red after hours. All these names are going to be red after hours. Actually, Tesla is just chilling. Tesla is chilling at 162. But it depends what happens tomorrow, though. Tomorrow morning, and then we have data at 8:32. So 8:30. Anyways, let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we can go chat in Discords. Any last questions? GDP stuff, Tesh, and Meta is rebounding closer to 450. If that thing recovers all of these losses, that would be impressive. We'll see. Anyways, guys, we shall see you guys in Discords. Smash a like before you go, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Be safe. And catch you guys later. See you in Discord, guys. Alrighty, y'all. Okay, bye, guys.